Well, Miss Evelyn.
What do you think, Miss Evelyn?
You are the mother
agree.
of 6 children.
Oh, to a point. Okay.
Okay.
I am a helicopter mom.
You are?
What? From the heart. However, I'm an airplane.
Okay.
Oh, you're not
you
helicopter.
soar.
You are private jet.
You don't
I
hover.
am
You
a
soar.
plane.
Okay.
Along
That's
with
okay.
the helicopter.
Okay.
Because this is the way I feel. I think, yes, you should give your children independence, but it's nothing wrong with it's just like playing football, guy on the field playing football, and he have the ball and they tackle him. Well, a mom's not going to run on the field and say, oh, baby, get up. Are you okay? They're not going to do that.
Yeah.
However, you can stand on the sideline with the handkerchief just in case he gets a bloody nose.
Yeah.
That's true. That's a good one. Okay. Yeah. I'll be up on the benches, though, Miss
Yeah,
Evelyn.
but most parents, especially mothers,
Yes.
will always be a helicopter.
Yeah,
I don't
that's
care what
true.
anybody says.
I think